everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video about new makeup releases, BT Makeup by Mario. Super Satin Lipstick. Shade Midtown Light Neutral Pink. A classic, creamy satin lipstick with a soft sheen. Shade Flatiron Warm Beige. This unique formula glides on with ultra comfort and grips lips in wearable shades curated by Mario. Shade South Shore Cool Pink Nude. Swipe on Silky Satin Lipstick. Reimagined by Mario and inspired by his hometown, New York City. Shade Bronx BEBYS Live Tea Warm Rose. Shade Nolita Mid-Tone Warm Pink. A single swipe delivers creamy, ultra comfortable color perfect for luxurious daily wear. Shade Dumbo Spiced Rose. This unique formula glides on and grips lips in 18 shades. Shade SIHO Spiced Coral. Shade Uptown Girl Rusty Orange Red. Swipe onto bare lips for creamy satin color. Shade Broadway Cool Bright Pink. Prep and exfoliate lips with Mario's Perfecting Lip Scrub before applying Super Satin Lipstick. Shade West Village Rich Magenta. Shade Chelsea Red Orange. Shade Harlem Warm Brick Red. Shade Tribeca Intense Blue Red. Shade Rockefeller Rich Brick Red. Shade Central Park Raisin Brown. Shade Forest Hills Rich Wine. Shade Downtown Girl Intense Plum Brown. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.